Good morning, TexLa team. I'm meteorologist Richard McAllister with your TexLa Weather update for Monday, September 9th. Here are the current hazards. A tropical storm watch and coastal flood advisory are in effect in southern Texas. Additional hazard statements to include a hurricane watch are expected soon. Elsewhere, there are no additional hazards in Texas or Louisiana. Today's forecast calls for mostly cloudy to overcast skies with a 90% chance of heavy to torrential rain and thunderstorms across portions of deep South Texas. Partly to mostly cloudy skies with a 50% chance of light to moderate rain and thunderstorms across portions of coastal Texas and southern and eastern Louisiana. Tomorrow's forecast calls for mostly cloudy to overcast skies with a 60 to 80% chance of light, moderate, and pockets of heavy rain with thunderstorms along coastal and southern and eastern Texas and much of Louisiana. The heaviest rainfall is expected along the coast. There is a 5 to 15% chance of new flooding today and tomorrow along southern and coastal Texas and coastal and southeastern Louisiana. There is one potential tropical cyclone, 2 disturbances, and 2 tropical waves in the Atlantic Basin. The low in the Gulf of Mexico is designated potential tropical cyclone 6 and does pose an immediate threat to Texas and Louisiana. At 4 a.m., PTC 6 was located 295 miles south-southeast of the mouth of the Rio Grande River and moving north-northwest at 5 miles per hour with maximum sustained winds of 50 miles per hour. This system would already be classified as a mid-intensity tropical storm if a closed low was detected in the center of the circulation. Air Force hurricane hunters are in the air this morning. I expect them to find a closed low. Thereafter, additional watches and warnings will rapidly be issued. This system is probably more intense than the current classification indicates. Here's a close-up look at the wind field. Notice the dual circulation. As soon as this system consolidates and organizes, additional development is likely. Most models suggest PTC 6 will be a tropical storm or Category 1 hurricane at landfall. One model is suggesting a Category 2 hurricane. Model consensus is strong and confidence is moderate for a Louisiana landfall within the next 60 to 72 hours. During the next 5 days, between 8 and 10 inches of rain will be possible along portions of the Texas Gulf Coast and across much of Louisiana. Flooding is a significant threat. The current storm surge forecast is calling for inundation of 1 to 3 feet above ground level. Personally, I think that's a bit understated. I would plan for more surge, especially along Breton and Chandeleur Sound. That's your TexLa Weather update for Monday, September 9th. If you appreciate the work that went into this forecast, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with a friend. I will probably do an intermediate forecast before Wednesday morning. Click on the notification button to be aware when I publish. Have a great week, get prepared, and I'll see you soon for the next TexLa Weather update.